on. Okay, what is up, royals? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have, let me get the good lighting. So today I have a super exciting video that I've been, well, just this, I've been wanting it for a long time, and it's finally here. I finally found the space. As you can see from the title, it's a clothesline. I've really been wanting a clothesline. Like, I just think it's the perfect addition to a garden. Like, coming out and hanging up your most delicate items and just watching them dry and watching your garden, having something to drink, a nice glass of lemonade. You know, you gotta romanticize these days. So yeah, that's what I've been wanting, and I'm finally just gonna do it. You know, you just have to do things. If you don't ever do them, you won't ever have them. So I'm gonna show you guys this makeshift clothesline that I'm about to do, and I've already tried out you know, a way to do it, so I think it'll work. It's pretty tight. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I don't have much space, as you already know. So here I have one post at the end and one post in the middle. So I'm gonna be tying this clothesline in between those two spaces. I know I have this hanging basket I just put up here, but it's actually perfect because I don't want to be like too high. So this is about arm's reach, and that's perfect for me. You know, I don't want to be struggling, you know, trying to put up clothes. So I'll just put the clothesline right underneath the hanging basket, and that should be fine. But yeah, this is my space, so it'll be right here in the middle. This area doesn't get a lot of sun. It gets sun in the morning, but in the afternoon it's more shaded. But I think that's okay. We get enough wind so that things can dry. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what we can whip up. So I have my string, and this is a 50-foot clothesline. So this is plenty of string for my little area. In case I needed to replace the string, I definitely could. Ooh, look at this. Why? Y'all need to go on, because y'all ain't gonna be eating up all my my greens in my garden. Get off. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I just keep this side bundled up so that it's not everywhere and I'm not having a hard time. So I'm gonna keep it under my armpit. But firstly, I'm gonna take this clothesline and put it behind this post. So we're just gonna put it behind the post. Okay, and we're gonna leave ourselves enough string. I'm gonna leave about 3 feet of string on one end, just so that I have plenty, just in case I need some extra. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a tie. So I'm gonna tie it around. Let me make sure it's up because I'm not even up high enough. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a tie around and tie it really tight. As tight as you can get it, because clotheslines need to be tight. They're gonna have a lot of weight on them. Ooh, so get it tight. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap this loose end behind the pole again, and I'm gonna bring it as tight as I can around, still the loose end, and I'm gonna tie it up with the end that has the rest of the string on it. Okay, I'm just gonna make a knot. So this is the loose end, this is the end with the string. I'm just gonna tie it and try to make a tight knot. And it might not be the prettiest, but it's gonna get the job done, okay? Okay, so that's pretty tight for me. These are both the ends. that I have in front of me, and I brought them to the front because I want the clothesline to come straight out like this. I don't want it to have to come from the back side or anything. I want it to come straight from the front so that I can get it as tight as possible on the other side. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and you can just play around with it, get it lined up or whatever, however you want to do it. I don't want to get a splinter, but I'll probably get it like this side, get it fixed up. But that's what it's looking like. Okay, so this is the other post. Oh, I'm just gonna grab my string from the other side, and what I'm gonna do is pull it as tight as I can around. Okay, I'll pull it around, try to make sure that it's even. Pulling it tight, tight, tight. Put all the tension that you can get on it. Because it's gonna have wet clothes on here. Okay, so that's feeling pretty tight to me. I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna wrap it around the bottom. Does that look funny, y'all? I'm wrapping it around the bottom, and I'm going to bring it around one more time. Bring it around so that's nice and taut. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it around and take it back to the other side, and that's gonna give me 2 lines, and they're gonna cross. So I kind of felt like if I had 2 lines I could get double the space, you know, I could put more things. So that's what we're gonna try. So we wrapped it, now we're gonna bring it back down. All right, so I'm back to this side. Whew, it is hot. I'm gonna take it and wrap it back around this other side. I'm gonna pull all the string around, and we're just wrapping it around just to keep it tight, as tight as we can. And that will keep the tension nice and taut, okay? All right, so we're back. I got my drink, I got my scissors. Whew, I just needed to take a little break. It is hot out here. Ooh, that's so good. Let's get to it. Now y'all know I need to stop. Look at this. I need to get me a cup with a lid. I do not like when things fly into my drink. So I clipped this with a clothespin just to keep it tight for me. Take that off. I'm just gonna bring it around again and tie it maybe off at the front. Yep, that works. So we just brought it around one more time, and I'm just gonna tie it off right in the middle here. So I'll give us some room to play with. Keep it taut. You don't want this thing getting too loose. And I'm just gonna find somewhere to tie it off. Just make any kind of knot that you can make. This is not rocket science. And I'll tie these two together, and that will be my last knot. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. You gotta get crafty, you know? Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. And that's what we gonna do. Look at that. I think that'll be good. You like it? You looking at it? She sees it moving. So let me show you guys what it's looking like. I don't know if you can see that, but here it crosses into 2, and then it crosses here, and then it's 2 down here. It's not, the crisscross isn't exactly in the middle, but at least it's 2 lines and it'll work for what I'm trying to do. Okay. So right here, I think I have about 7 feet of clothesline, and then I have 2 lines that I can make use of. Woo! And that makes me so happy. That really does. And you can just tie these strings in the back just so they're out of the way. Yeah, I didn't want anything too crazy. I wanted something nice and quaint that wasn't just gonna be, you know, across the whole yard. I just wanted it in a little area. And I know they have those little stand-up ones. They're like an umbrella that you can just set out. And I could have done that, but I just don't like the shape of it or the look of it. It looks a little, it looks a little weird to me, but I don't know. You never know. I might try one in the future just to see how it works. But I am really going to enjoy this. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get a couple things that I need to wash, and we're gonna hang it on the line and see how it does with, you know, wet items on it. Are y'all ready? Let's do it. So that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that it helped. It was working out great, so I am super happy with it. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.